Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we got another 2024 just delivered. This one was TJ's bike from Conneticut. We ended up doing an NVS Audio Stage 5 on it with sealed imported bags, 10s in the saddlebags. We squeezed a Sound Digital 3000.1 in the fairing, along with a Sound Digital 800.4 ARC Audio PSM Pro DSP. Obviously, we had to modify the headlight and the radio bracket to get it to fit. All NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring. The 10s, we used Cicada mid-bass 10s powered by the 3000. Dubiee bass knob on this one, so you got the clipping indicator in the front. Ran a set of Cicada CH in the fairing and a set of Cicada CHX 5 1/4 in the lids. Since the bags were sealed, we needed a speaker that's going to sit up higher so it allowed bags to close with the toppers. This bike had 14 through 23 bags on it, so it got he got to do a set of extended bags and the tail kit that he liked with the CVO style tail. He didn't like the look of the rear end on the 2024s, and there is not a set of CVO style bags available with the extended tail for the 24s and 25s yet. We fiberglassed the bags, we reinforced them, we fiberglassed the toppers, and we added bracing. Bike sounds really, really good. Check it out.
Kept the hood from starving. Pushing cars, Nicky bars was the 70s, but there's a long list of high-profile celebrities worldwide on the thorough side of things. Live as kings, some died. One guy, one time, one day grasped me as I'm about to blast heat. 40 side of burning. I turned well, he asked me, "What you up to? The cops gon' bust you." I was a teen, drunk or brew. Stumbled, I wondered if God sent him, cause 2 squad cars entered the block and looked at us. I ain't flinched when they watched. I took it upstairs, the bathroom.
Yeah, it's good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, you know what I mean? There's your key.
On the streets, trying to consume some skirts for the E, so I could get some phones, rolling in my ride, chilling all alone. Just hit the east side of the LBC, on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you hoes know what's up with 213. So I hit some left on 21 and Lewis, and niggas shooting dice. So I said, let's do this. I jumped off the rock and said, what's up? Some niggas put some bets, so I said, I'm the fuck. Since these hoes leaving me, I'ma grind this word. These bitches looking so hard, they straight hit the curb. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G have to regulate. I'm giving jack, I'm waking up sick. I can't relate. They taking arms rough, they took my ways, they took my Rolex. I looked up and nigga said, damn, what's next? They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. You know, I'm seeing if they going straight down the path. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late.